today we'll be opening this b.t.w Tweens box. So, and it's an LOL OMG, and it says, "Hey sis," because this is Cherry's little sis, but sadly I turned Cherry to the only one named Cherry into something else. So yeah. Also make sure to thumbs up, subscribe. Okay, there we go, guys. Get ready to do this. Let's open this up. Here we go, guys. Got her. Let's get the first thing, which is the best girl ever. It's Cherry B. Looks so good in her stylish Cherry outfit with her hair in the back that does not go all around, but that's okay because Cherry BB got her ways. Wait. Oh, we got a surprise bag on Cherry BB. Let's open her surprise blind bag. Ooh, what's this? Oh, here's her cute little cherry jacket with her little stylish cherry emblem on the back. Because she is Cherry the rock and roll girl. Even though this is not the rock and roll band. Oh, my mom's getting Cherry out. Okay. Okay, let's go to the next item. Alright, let's go for her Cherry BB composition book, which is a little bit ripped, but we don't care about that. Let's open her little composition book. It says, Cherry BB, this or that.
Next prize.
We got the next prize. Okay, let's go. Welcome, guys, to the Down Club, which when you cannot open a box. Oh, welcome to the Happy Club, where you can open a box. Box. Oh shoot.
Ooh.
Okay.
Sunglasses.
I want her wearing these things. I'm just acting like her now. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. What? The Rubik's Cube purse that actually opens up. Close your Rubik's Cube purse, and then you can play Rubik's Cube. No, it's not Rubik's Cube. It's a dice. You can play with a dice. Why did I say Rubik's Cube? Oh, wait. I'm Cherry BB.
I think you got one more.
I'm taking her sunglasses off.
You got one more surprise.
I'm taking her sunglasses off. She's not in her fashion show right now.
Okay.
Alright, let's open the last surprise, guys. And guess what Cherry BB says? Maybe you should just get a little cherry in your style. Okay, let's get started on the last one. What's that? Is there anything in there? Because there has to be her jewelry in there. Okay, this might be her jewelry. Oh, did you already check in there?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. We need to check all bags just in case the jewelry is inside. Rip it. Rip all bags. Okay, we got a shoe. There's only... Okay, how many shoes are there? There's 2 shoes. There's 2 shoes. That's all we get left. Bye-bye. Okay.
Oh, she's cute. I think she's supposed to have earrings, but...
Yeah.
Here's another bag.
Guys, here's her jewelry. All her jewelry is in here. Alright, guys, I'm going to put her jewelry on. Guys, so first,
Here, let's see what jewelry they got.
Okay, so she got her little necklace. Her little necklace thing.
A comb.
She got a bracelet. Oh. I'm Cherry BB, and I'm famous because of my rock and roll show. I'm not actually rock and roll. I'm pop, and I have my sunglasses and trusty dice purse to keep me along the way.